Presiden ka UPP uba aden embasaya moy ulaang ba ka TMC da ka jingkersyan ka Kongres kelayo ya ka jingbiang number banlong Nongiala liang persya. Ulaang ba kat kum ka an kila biang ya ka jingdon kam 10% na ka jingdon KMLA bar ka Kongres kala don lang bar ka TMC ha ka ba kala yo ya ka kam chief web kaling persya uba aden ulaang ba ka UPP kan Iatylli bat ki Hynrei kan Iatreilang Halor kimat kibayade bat Paidbah. Ulaang ba ka parti kam kwa ban Iatylli ban thau ken hun namar ba kindon kimat kiba ka parti kam yaha bat kan kta lada persya abaya don lang bat na kene kedau kam kwa ban ya don lang bat kiwe.
You see, I think going by the rules, you don't need our support. They've all got the numbers. It has to be 10% of the strength of the House. So they have already got the support of the Congress. And where you have seen the vice versa, the Congress have supported him for the post of the chief whip, opposition chief whip. I don't think that question is, arise.
But we see a lack of unity between the opposition members during this session. Any reaction on that?
That is your reading, no? But we don't see that disunity or lack of unity. In what sense will you say that there's a lack of unity? I mean, it has to be, evident, no? In what way you mean to say that there's a lack of unity? We discuss on issues, we support each other on the relevant issues, on important issues, on issues that we believe in. Because as we have said why we don't want to have a kind of alliance with some other opposition parties in the opposition, because we've got our own belief, our own ideology. We may have some differences, in some other issues. So it will not look good, to express that difference when we are part of the alliance. So in order to get rid of that kind of situation, we choose to stay independently in the opposition. However, as we've said, we will work together on all the issues affecting the state and its people.